Health officials in the Chinese city that started the world's coronavirus outbreak are claiming a victory in containing the disease. They've closed one of Wuhan's 16 new hospitals, the hospitals it rapidly constructed back in January to cope with the flood of new patients. Officials say there's finally been a drop in new cases in the city. On Sunday, they reported fewer than 200 in a day, the first time since January. There are still 15 of the hospitals in operation and millions of people in China in effective quarantine, their cities on lockdown. But at least in Wuhan and its surrounding areas, the government says it will start transitioning from overall containment to more targeted measures. Meanwhile, around the world, the virus is continuing to spread. Reuters estimates there are 89,000 cases globally and 3,000 killed, most in China.
Stigma is the most dangerous enemy. For me, it's more than the virus itself.
That was the head of the World Health Organization on Monday. There are over 8,800 cases abroad. The three countries worst hit outside China, South Korea, Italy, and Iran, are continuing to grapple. South Korea is considering murder charges against the leader of a secretive church, its self-proclaimed messiah, at the heart of its outbreak. South Korea has over 4,300 cases and 26 deaths. In Europe's worst hit, Italy, with over 2,000 cases, the government is preparing a stimulus program to help shelter its fragile economy. In Venice, for example, its canals, which are usually packed with tourists, were completely deserted when Reuters visited on Sunday. Italy's tourism board reports over 90% of its travel bookings have been canceled in Rome alone. And lastly, in Iran, with just under 1,000 cases, the death tolls hit at least 66, including a senior official. As of Monday, at least 66 countries have reported cases.